Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to find the frequently asked questions on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen, and in the information section you can find the first option, the frequently asked questions and send feedback. Click that, and in this page you can find you can find different questions, and if you click to the arrow you can find the information and the answers, so you can read that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.